Hello friends, welcome to our channel Infotainment Bangalore. Hope all are doing fine. My dear friends, I am back again for getting one more certificate to you all. Today, I won't make you all feel bored by giving explanations. Let's directly start. Friends, today we shall get a certificate from Amazon. Use the link in our description to go to AWS Training and Certification. Now, search for the course Introduction to AWS Billing and Cost Management. Then click on the course. You will be directed to this page. Click on Sign In. Again click on Sign In. First, you need to create your Amazon account. So, give your name, email ID. You can see company business title. They are not mandatory. Select your language, your country, that is India, time zone, and then click on the checkbox and give save. Now you will be directed to the same page you were in the beginning. Now click on subscribe. You can now see free digital training. Enroll for free and access our library of digital training courses. Click on enroll now. You can see the course page. Click on launch. The course is being launched. Now click on resume. Again click on launch course. You can see the course is being launched. Click on play. Friends, you need not watch the complete video to get the certification. Just drag your mouse to the end. You can see thanks for watching. Close the screen. Now click on return to LMS. You can see the course is completed. You completed the course on July 10th, 2020. Certificate of completion, click on that and you can see your certificate of completion is generated. Hope this video was helpful to you all. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.